हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट KUD MCOM 2020-21 application process and related questions. Now from last few days I was getting many questions regarding to how to apply for MCOM in KUD. So these were the general questions which I got. What is MCOM PGET? Why it is conducted? How to apply? What is the total number of marks for the paper? How will be the paper? Descriptive type, objective type? Are calculators allowed? When and where will be the exam? What is the process after exam? How to prepare? And in which all colleges you can get MCOM seats. So half of these questions I am going to discuss in this video, and looking at your response I am going to make another part of this video in which I am going to discuss about how to prepare for the exams, what are the important subjects which you need to focus upon. So share this video with your friends, and without wasting much time, let us go to few important questions. Now MCOM stands for Master of Commerce. It is a 2-year course, and PGET stands for Postgraduate Entrance Test. Now in order to get admission in MCOM, you need to write this exam, and if you get good marks in this exam, half of the marks of this exam and half of your aggregate of UG will be added, and then a merit list will be made, and based on this you are going to get admissions in different colleges. So how to apply for this MCOM PGET? In order to apply for this MCOM PGET, you have to go to official website of Karnataka University Dharwad, and in that go for the notification application for admission to postgraduate degree, diploma, advanced diploma on the date 11th October 2021. Click on that. You are going to get a application form. So this is how the application form will look like. You have to take a printout of this application form, and you have to fix your photo and all the relevant information you have to fix. The application fees for PG is going to be 550 for general merit students, and for SC, ST category 1 it is going to be 275 rupees. So fill in all the information which is given in this application form, like name, father's name, mother's name, and so on. Many of you might have doubts regarding to what you need to fill in case of results, because your results are not yet announced by the university. So just leave that space blank, and once you get your results you can give the copy of your result in university. So fill in all the information. So the important documents which you need to bring along with the application form are as follows. Just see in the list: application form, fees challan, you have to pay it in bank and you have to bring the receipt of that, SSLC marks card, BCom marks card from 1st to 6th. If you have not got your marks card, then till which semester you have marks card, bring those marks card. Caste certificate if you have any, income certificate, NCC, NSS, sports, ex-serviceman, PH, HK, all these things. If you are eligible you can bring those documents, Aadhaar card and fee concession form. So these are all the things, and it should be in serial order. Once you go to the university, to the department, they are going to give you a checklist. So just write down all the information like name, mobile number, degree, and all this thing. Leave the first column blank. They are going to fill this number, and once you have all the documents arranged sequentially and checklist filled, you can submit it to the department. So once you submit, they are going to give you this acknowledgement back, which is there along with the application form. So this itself is going to be your hall ticket. They are going to write a number on this, and that will be your registration number for the PGET exam. So this is how you need to apply. Now few more questions which I got was, what is the eligibility criteria for this course? Who can do MCOM? What is the minimum requirement of percentage? So let us go again to the notification, where they have given you detailed notification in Kannada as well as in English about the application process as well as the information. So this is the English version of the notification. So they say that it was dated 9th October, and there are so many different subjects in which you can apply based upon what is your UG course. So for commerce it is MCOM, MCOM CS, Master of Financial Management, and even there is one more PG diploma course. So I will talk only about MCOM. So if you see in this notification, they have given you the list of colleges in which you can take admission. They have given you the management seats as well as the merit seats. If you write PGET exam, there are more chances that you can get a merit seat. In case if you want to go to a specific college, then you can also apply for management seat, but which will be a bit costly depending upon the college fee structure. There are around 36 colleges which comes under KUD affiliation which has MCOM course. You can go to any of the college depending upon the seats available. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, any student who want to take admission in PG course, we are talking about MCOM, needs to score minimum of 45% in aggregate in their UG, and for category students it is 40%. So if you have crossed 45% aggregate in all the semesters, then you can apply for MCOM course. And they say that the merit list of the MCOM is going to be on the basis of entrance exam, which will be taken 50%, and 50% will be your UG marks. And you have to write an entrance exam, as I said, which is called as PGET. I have made many videos on PGET question papers. You can just go to the playlist. I am putting the link into the description as well as in the I button, so you can look out all those papers. If you want detailed information about these exams, just comment me. I'll make a detailed video on how will be the pattern of the exam, how to prepare, and all those points. One more very important criteria: only students who have done BCom at their UG level can apply for this MCOM. So BBA and other courses cannot apply for MCOM. Only bachelor degree in commerce, that is BCom, from KUD or any other university, it is okay, but you have to do BCom in order to get admission in MCOM. And in case if you have to send the application form through post, you can also send it. The address is going to be Chairperson, Department of Commerce, Karnataka University, Dharwad. But I would suggest you to go and give the application form by hand, so that you can get your hall ticket on spot, and you can also see the center where you are going to write the examination. The most important thing is when is going to be your PGET entrance examination. So for MCOM, it is going to be on 29th of October. So this month 29th, you are going to have exam from 10:30 to 11:45, and the last date for giving application form is going to be 25th of October. So still you are left with 1 week. Fill your application forms, share it with your friends so that they can also apply for this course, and start your preparation for MCOM PGET paper. And about your marks card, they say that you can give your marks card 5 days before the date of counseling. So you can write your exam. Once university gives the result, you can take the net copy of that. You can get it signed by the authorities, and then you can submit it to the department at least 5 days before the date of counseling. Counseling date will be announced once you write the PGET entrance exam. And on the last page of this notification, they have given you contact numbers. So if you have any queries and if you want to ask something to the department, you can just call it. They have given you the numbers. So for commerce department, it is number 36. You can dial this number and you can get the information if you want. So share this video with your friends, and if you have any queries, you can just comment me in the comment box. I'll try to solve your queries. And if you want me to make more videos for PGET, share these videos. So I'll give you more information about important subjects which you need to cover. Thank you for watching this video.